So now I will preview of this and show you how to assign different materials. So here you might assign the material according to the site or the city that you're using, the climate zone of the city. For example, if you're having Cairo as the city, you're going to assign to B to what? Here we have a component which is called Honeybee Search EP Construction. And here's the library, a Honeybee call from EB Construction library, and you hook it up here as an EB construct list. The standard is which type of the standard you want to use. And as I told you, you can hover over each title and check what is written inside. This explains what you want to use. In this example, I have used Ashrae 189.1, and as it's number 3, as you can see, and the climate zone is 2B. And I will also tell you how to know your climate zone. And here the surface type. The surface type we have is when you hover over the title, you can see that you have 0 for wall, 1 for roof, 2 for floor, and so on. So here we have number 4 because it's the window. And now we can know which type of material we are having for our window. And here, as you can see, this is the type of material. If you want to know more about it, you can bring this called Decompose EP Construction, Honeybee Decompose EP Construction, and you can start bringing panels and hook them up to know the material, the name of the material, and if there are comments, and also the value, the U value. You have to you can hover over all these values to know what exactly do you want to attach in your schedule or something, information about the material you're using. And as you can see here, I took this material and hooked it up here in the window EP construction, and here also in the window in the EP construction in the component of the window to wall ratio. These are the same as the previous one. Here you just change the surface type. For example, it's 0. I'm having a keyword I want to use in the specific material, so I came up with this. And this component is called Honeybee Set EP Zone Construction. You hook it up here from the last component you have for your Honeybee model, which was the solve adjacencies hooked up after the assigning the windows. And you hook it up here and you start select the materials you want to assign. For example, I left here the floor EP construction and the exposed floor. And actually, Honeybee assigns a default materials for anything that is left. And so here, now I will go to the EPW file part, and I will show you how to know your the zone, the climate zone you're in. Here we have Cairo, and I will show you also how to bring the link for your EPW file. This component is called Open EPW and the Stat Weather files. And here you can go to Energy Plus, click on it. You have here weather. Inside weather, you can choose, for example, let's say we want London. So you have United Kingdom. And here you can choose between different cities. And so here I will check on for London. I will right click on download all and copy link address. And then go here and clear this and paste this link. Then click outside the panel. So it's okay, it's working. This is how you assign a specific city to bring its EPW file to perform the simulation to know which honeybee, which climate zone are you in, and also to perform the daylighting and so on. So here, this component is called import stat. From this component, you take the stat file and hook it up here, and you can find the Ashrae climate zone for the city is 4A. Now I'm going to take this Ashrae climate zone and hook it up in the climate zone here, instead of the 2B, which was for Cairo. So here, climate zone and climate zone also. Now we don't need this anymore. I'll delete it and go back here.